morning latte with all homemade ingredients with herbs. So this is what we're making. Hey folks, yesterday I had 2 cups of coffee and my constitution, I ain't got no business drinking 2 cups of coffee. So I woke up inspired to create a different kind of morning beverage. This is going to be an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant morning latte with all homemade ingredients with herbs. I am using homemade cashew milk. We have some astragalus, turmeric, matcha, cayenne, ginger, some dates, a spin on golden milk, but you know, I have to add my own little flair to it.
We make our own cashew milk. Now you're probably thinking you don't have time to do all that, but hear me out. It's easier and healthier than all of the plant milks on the market. There are no additives. We use dates to sweeten, and it doesn't spike your blood sugar like oat milk does. But you didn't know that. You simply soak 1 cup of cashews overnight in filtered water, strain, then put your cashews, 4 cups of fresh filtered water, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract into your blender with 4 dates and blend on high for a few minutes. Then it's done. Bottle and refrigerate. Loving this recipe and want more? Check out the ebook below. We have 25 family-friendly herbal infusions that are in this PDF. They are easy to make, easy to take. The whole family will love them, and they support your energy, your mood, your digestion, your immunity. These are recipes that we use year-round. So these come directly from our kitchen to yours. Check it out below. I'm using 1 tablespoon of astragalus root and I'm going to powder it. So astragalus helps modulate inflammation, mostly helping to lower inflammation. It's very mild, kind of nutty, but neutral tasting, so it won't overpower your blend. It's great to include in all types of formulas because of this. Matcha is a green tea. It does still have some caffeine, but less than a cup of coffee. It's loaded with antioxidants, which also help to lower inflammation. I've added 1/2 tablespoon. Up next is 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, another herb that's supportive for lowering inflammation and also for liver health, amongst many other benefits. I'm including 1/2 tablespoon of ginger powder for digestive support, and I love a good kick, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It also helps with digestion and supports circulation. Now combine your powdered herbs with the cashew milk in a pot. I used 1 cup of cashew milk and another cup of water and added more vanilla extract. This would also be a really good time to add some spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, maybe some cardamom. You can do this according to your preferences, and then you'll let it simmer on low heat for around 20 minutes. When it's ready, strain, then enjoy.
That's really good. A warming cup of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant latte to replace your morning coffee. Definitely what I needed this morning. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.